Hey guys, what's up? This is Sahil, and today I'll be giving you the exact answer what to do if your mobile phone is stolen. Smartphones are basically a very beautiful piece of technology. People are actually ready to pay more than a lakh for smartphones. But one unfortunate day, what happens is that you lose your phone. Then the amount of frustration and stress you get is impeccable. People usually consider once the smartphone is stolen, it's gone forever. But there are inbuilt softwares that can help you trace back your smartphones. These inbuilt softwares depend upon the type of smartphone which you're using, whether is it Android based or iOS based. There are a lot of Android smartphones, but there is only an iPhone which is based on iOS. So first, let's talk about Android smartphones. In Android, we have an inbuilt application called Google Find My Device. So basically, this application uses the Google account linked with your smartphone to trace back your device. It has also got a lot of features like play sound on your device, lock the entire phone, or erase the entire phone. Similarly, in iOS, Apple has got almost the same software as Google, which is known as Find My iPhone. Here, instead of your Google account, your iCloud account will be used to trace your phone back. And also, it has got the same features as of Google. So now that I've talked about both Android and iOS softwares, let's actually see how Android's Google Find My Device works, since I don't actually have an iPhone and I actually can't afford it. So this is the way I can show you. So first of all, you will be requiring a laptop or a computer. Open Google Chrome, then open Google. Sign into your account which you were using on your stolen phone. Once you're done signing in, type Google Find My Device on Google. Now open the first link which is shown. Now it will try to connect to your device which is stolen, and it will show the exact location where your device is. But for this, your device has to be online. That means it has to be connected to a data network or a Wi-Fi network. Now, since I haven't lost my phone and I can show that my device has been located. Now let's play the sound. You can clearly see that sound is being played on my phone. You have to press the lock button if you want to discontinue playing the song. And you get the notification that this device has stopped playing. Now we can also type a recovery message like I'm typing please return my mobile phone. Press the secure button and secure has been requested. Now I'll show you my smartphone. See, you get the exact same message, please return my mobile phone. And if you don't know the password of your phone, that message is locked forever. So these were the inbuilt softwares. Now my friends are going to talk about the third party softwares.
When it comes to iPhone or any other iOS device, the App Store offers a wide variety of anti-theft apps. Let us take a look at some of the anti-theft apps available on the App Store. Some of the most popular anti-theft apps on the App Store include apps such as My Spy, Lookout, GPS Box, and Family Tracker, and there are many more like that. These apps provide various features such as last known location of the phone, the ability to remotely ring alarm, and so on. Here, I would like to specifically highlight two of the best apps on the App Store. Lookout is one of them. Lookout app is one of the most famous apps on the App Store and is an extremely good freeware alternative for the first party app Find My. It has a very easy installation process and one can monitor multiple devices using a single account. Active tracking and demand tracking modes are available on this app. Some of the advantages of using Lookout app are that one can easily mark the device as missing through an online panel. It is also possible to retrieve device location in real time or also the last location of the device in case of battery discharge. Phone alarm can be rung remotely to find misplaced device. It also generates an evidence report in order to find the device. Most importantly, jailbreaking is not required in order to use this app. Another app that I would like to bring your attention is FlexiSpy. It can do all the major things that all other device tracking apps can do, plus it can do many more things. Using FlexiSpy, it is possible to monitor all the apps installed on your iPhone. It is also possible to monitor ongoing phone calls as well as text messages. The app also allows you to take full control of all the microphones and all the cameras to gather environmental information. It can also operate covertly in hidden mode and take control of all the system software. If one wants to choose between the two of these apps, it really comes down to how much sensitive information is present on your device. As we can see from the table that the Lookout app and the FlexiSpy app both offer all the basic functionalities. The Lookout app, however, misses out on some of the advanced features which are given by FlexiSpy, but it all comes at a cost. The FlexiSpy requires you to pay a monthly subscription fee, as well as it requires you to jailbreak your iPhone. Both of these things are not required in order to use the Lookout app. I hope this information helps you to choose the right app to protect your iPhone and keep your information safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about two Android apps that can help you in case you someday lose your smartphone or it is stolen. So as we talked about earlier regarding the Google Find My Device app or service, this service is in fact enabled in your smartphone automatically as soon as you create or log into a Google account on the device. This app is the easiest or most trustworthy way to track your phone in case it's lost, and for most people and in most scenarios, the features it provides are enough. Now, in case someone needs some extra features or assurances, then you can look at the two third-party apps that we are going to discuss today. Now, if we go on the Google Play Store and type something like Lost Android Tracking App and look it up, we see that there are a whole lot of apps that are shown with each app promising various services and giving various claims. Some of the apps are legitimate and actually work, while others are just a scam and must be avoided. So in the case of hundreds of apps present that all claim to work, how are we supposed to select which one works? Well, I have taken into account several factors and chosen two apps that will definitely help anyone looking to have some insurances in case the device is stolen in the future. The factors I have considered are trustworthiness and usefulness of the app. The app needs to be trustworthy because it will have access to a lot of important data on our smartphone, and useful because it needs to have the features and services necessary in helping us locate the device or any other steps that may be needed to combat the theft. To judge these factors, I have looked at things like Google Play ratings, the number of downloads of the app on Google Play, the reviews of the app on the Google Play Store, as well as their reviews on YouTube, and how well maintained and updated the website of the app is. After much research, I have chosen two apps that I believe should work for everyone. The first app I have chosen is called Prey Anti-Theft and is developed by Prey Project, which is a very popular name, and you must have heard it if you have ever looked into securing any of your devices against theft, be it a smartphone or a laptop. The app is free, with some features being available with a Pro subscription. It is highly trusted and downloaded app on the Play Store with over 1 million downloads and around 60,000 reviews with a rating of 3.6 out of 5. The app has over 10 years of experience in anti-theft, data security, and device management. Once you install Prey, then create an account on your PC or laptop and go to the Prey online portal and log in with the same account to track any and all devices you want. Whenever you lose your device, go to this panel and mark that device as missing, and then use Prey's features from the online panel to track and locate your device. Now let's go over the features of the app one by one. First, you can set areas on the map that alert device movement in and out of them. Second, you can pinpoint accuracy on the map, the GPS coordinates, and the location history to verify the device's movements in time. Third, sound a loud alarm for 30 seconds to find the device if it's nearby. Fourth, you can activate actions when a device enters or exits a particular area. This feature is Pro only. Fifth, block the device's screen with a custom passcode remotely, and thus disabling anyone from accessing your device data. 6. Display a message on the screen to alert anyone who finds the device and arrange for a return. 7th. This is the key feature exclusive to Prey app, and that is the reports. When a device is missing, Prey gathers crucial evidence to aid the police's work in tracking the device. The evidence is such as the coordinates of the device, its MAC address, pictures taken from the back and front camera of the device in order to ascertain the surroundings of the device or to capture the image of the thief. To see all active Wi-Fi connections in the neighborhood of the device for better tracking. All these evidence are provided to the police which help them in further tracking the device. 8th. Hide the app icon from the app drawer to prevent anyone from uninstalling the app once it's lost. Other features that come with the Pro subscription include the remote deletion of files on the local SD card of the device. You can select and retrieve specific files from your device to avoid losing important work-related files. Keep track of changes such as battery status and connection status. All the above features and the fact that Prey is open source and transparent makes it an app one should definitely look at while considering the options for tracking apps. The next app that we are looking at is called Lost Android. I know, what a creative name, right? And if we look at the app itself in the Play Store, not very impressive, especially compared to the professional looking Prey app that we just looked at. But don't let the UI or the design of the app fool you. This is one of the most feature-rich app I have ever seen in the duration for which I have been researching tracking apps. If you go into the description of the app, you see the plethora of features that the app has to offer. The app has over 10 million downloads and around 75,000 reviews with a rating of 4 on the Play Store. After downloading the app, head on over to www.androidlost.com and register your device and log into your Google account. And now you can use all the features of the app by logging into this online panel itself. Let's go over the significant features one by one. First, read sent and received messages as well as sent messages from the online panel even when your device is lost. Second, wipe the data on the phone, local storage and the SD card remotely. Third, sound an alarm with flashing screen to find it if it's nearby. Fourth, display a message on the screen to alert anyone who finds the device and arrange for return. Fifth, forward calls from the lost device to your online panel. Sixth, display the phone's status for battery, IMEI number changes, SIM card changes, etc. Seventh, remote SMS alarm and SMS log service. Eighth, wipe phone via SMS if online panel isn't accessible. Ninth, start or stop the Wi-Fi and GPS on your smartphone remotely. 10th, hide the app icon from the app drawer to prevent anyone from uninstalling the app once it's lost. 11th, take pictures of the surroundings with the front and rear camera of the device. 12th, get an email when the SIM card is changed. 13th, get the call list of the remote device to monitor what anyone has been using the device for. 14th, record the sounds in the surroundings from the mic of the device. 15th, start or stop the Wi-Fi or data connection even via SMS if the online panel is not accessible. And these aren't even all the features, just the important ones. Considering the app provides such a wide range of features and is totally free, I believe it is worth installing the app. Here is a table listing the features of both the apps as a comparison. Now before ending my segment, there is one more thing I would like to discuss, and that is apps on the Play Store which claim that they can track your phone using its IMEI number, that is the International Mobile Equipment Identity Number. These apps are absolutely fake and they are a scam because there is no possible method by which your phone can be tracked using only your IMEI number and just using an app. In case using above methods you aren't able to find your device, what you need to do is go to the police and file an FIR. And at that time, they will ask you for the IMEI number of your device. Then working in conjunction with the service providers, the police using your IMEI number may be able to track your device.